Today I show you how to make it rain taco in Roblox Studio. So open the toolbox and get model taco, okay, and we are just going to use the part, the handle, delete tool, okay. We do not need these other stuff, so I will delete, okay, okay. Hello. Uh, okay. Now insert object script, okay. Put the handle name taco and in replicate storage or something. And now while wait 1 2, oh yeah, I zoom in so you can see. While wait 1 2 local taco equals game dot replicated storage dot taco colon clone. And now to put the position of taco dot c frame equals c frame dot new vector3 dot new, and we make it spread, so x equals map dot random minus 200 200. Same thing with the z, and the y is constant because it rain taco. So x 100 z, okay, taco dot parent equals workspace, and print rain the taco, so you can see that it work even if you know taco. Okay, let's display to see it leak taco. I mean rain taco. Hello. Okay. It's not rain taco. Where is the taco? Oh, there is taco. Okay. So we need to make bigger the taco. What I want to do is make taco mesh part because it allows for accurate hitbox. So you put to the mesh ID for the taco, put the texture for the taco. Hello. Okay. And now you resize taco. So I make taco big taco. And maybe we make taco fall faster and rename taco. Okay. And now we make it more frequent. So while wait to usually run service is better way to put. I don't care. Okay. Let's see if it rain taco. You can see it rain taco. One more thing to stop the lag. We want to debreeze add item taco, probably like 5. So it remove in 5 seconds to stop lag. Okay. So now we have made it rain the taco. If you like taco, this is script for you. Tomorrow I do a tutorial how to make rain hamburger. Okay, as you can see, it now rain taco. Okay, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Goodbye. Okay.